Talking to myself and feel alone. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hang on around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got, they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong, feeling like I don't belong. Walk on around, some kind of lonely clown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Oh, funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Oh, funny, but it seems it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel has come and gone.